Hi everybody. I was actually just off to the office. I came back from walking the doggies, had a look in my post box to see if there's some new bills or I don't know, advertisements coming my way, or the card I was waiting for from Christopher Boore. So just imagine how how surprised I was when I found this huge thing in my post box. Christopher, you're crazy. I'm going to open it now, but it's definitely more than just a postcard in there. Just let me check. I think I need some scissors. Okay. So, just look what he sent. Isn't this awesome? And a card. 2 cards. More. And a really awesome Florida card. More with parrots. And this one is cool as well. But the coolest thing is the book. Look, Christopher sent me his book. Paperback, a real book. And it's signed. You see this? No. This totally made my day and weekend. Oh, I'm going to read this weekend and check it out. Awesome. Thank you so much, Christopher. I really didn't expect that. Thanks a lot and have an awesome weekend yourself. Bye.